just another little short instalment on on the weekend sort of efforts. The generator's up and running. We still haven't jump started. I've chucked a little charger on to charge the battery. Battery seems to drain pretty quickly, so I've got to kind of set that up as a standard setup, I guess, and keep the battery charged so that we can kick it over all the time. But the beautiful thing about running the generator is that, well, over here I'm actually doing my first load of washing, and gee, it feels nice to be able to do some washing. You know, we've got a few dodgy cable setups here at the moment, but you know, that's because nothing's wired in over here. But seriously, being able to do a load of washing, I never used to value that very much, and you know, it was just turn on a switch and chuck the washing in, and you know, I had a dryer as well, and you know, if we had a bit of rain, I could chuck it in the dryer. But out here, you know, power is valuable. Power is very valuable, and you know, I've got to use what I've got when I can, and you know, there's a load of washing going on, and that's just a, you know, that's a success for the weekend. So yeah, great stuff, hey. See you later.